Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again in this new series, Arabic for Beginners. Al-Arabiyyatu lil-Mubtadi'in. Al-Arabiyyatu lil-Mubtadi'in. Arabic for Beginners. We're going to start again with the Arabic alphabet. This is lesson number 1, and here is Ustad Adil Abdel Razak. Objective for our class today, or for our lesson. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to, number 1, understand the Arabic writing system from right to left. Number 2, write and pronounce the letter ba by itself. Number 3, write and pronounce the 3 short vowels. Number 4, write and pronounce the letter ba with short vowel fatha, and then with short vowel kasra, with short vowel dhamma, and then talk about the Arabic writing system, have more details about the letter ba and its forms at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. So the letter ba story, is the letter ba is the second letter of our Arabic alphabet. The letter ba is the second letter, and we started from right to left. When I write the letter ba, I start from right and then go to the left side. This is how we write the letter ba, from right to left. Then we're going to talk now about the letter ba with the 3 short vowels. We have 3 short vowels only. In English we have 5, but here in Arabic we have 3 short vowels. Short vowels in Arabic we call it al-harakat al-qasira. Al-harakat al-qasira. In Arabic there are 3 short vowel marks. They are not a part of the Arabic alphabet, means they are not letters. The short vowels enable the letter to make a sound. In Arabic, one cannot make a word without a vowel being used. And the short vowels, the 3 short vowels, we'll talk about it inshallah very soon. And we write them above or below the letter. The first short vowel called fatha. Fatha, this is fatha. And we put it above the letter. So this is what? This is fatha. Fatha has a sound a. Kasra, the same like fatha, but we change the place. We put it under. So underneath the letter. We call it kasra. The second short vowel called kasra. And it has a sound e. The last Arabic short vowel called dhamma, this is dhamma, and we put it above the letter. So we have here fatha, kasra, and dhamma. The letter ba and the 3 short vowels. Here the letter ba with fatha, the letter ba with kasra, and then the letter ba with dhamma. Okay, the letter ba with fatha, as you see here, fatha and the dhamma, we put them above the letter, and the kasra underneath the letter. Fatha has a sound a. So the letter ba, when it has fatha, it becomes ba. The letter ba, when it has kasra, now it becomes, the sound bi. And the letter ba with dhamma becomes bu. And we call it short vowel because the time you are taken to make the sound is really short. Ba, bi, bu. Now we're going to talk about the letter ba. In English, when I write any letter, let's say the letter B or C, it doesn't matter where this letter is, or you at the beginning or in the middle or at the end. It's the same. You can recognize it very easily. But in Arabic, no. In Arabic, the Arabic letter change its shape, change its form from the beginning to the middle to the end. Okay, so here the letter ba said, I'm so friendly, so I can be connected to letters on my left and right sides. When I come at the beginning of a word, I connect from left side. Again, when we start Arabic, we start from right to left. So this is here the beginning. When I start from right to left, the letter ba said, if nothing before me, I only can connect from the left side. From the left side. Here, this is the left side. Imagine this is this person, and he has both arms, right and left, but now he's connecting, or he's being connected to the letter from left side, as in bayt, bayt, house, bayt. As you see, the letter ba here is connected from left side. In the middle, I'm so friendly and I accept to be connected from both sides, right and left. So this is the letter ba, we connected from this side, from right side, and from left side, as you see here. As in Jabal, Jabal, mountain, Jabal. When I come at the end of a word, I connect from right side. So this is a ba, so connect from right side from here, as you see here. As in Inab, I love Inab, Inab. Ba at the beginning, ba in the middle, ba at end. So this is ba, ba, ba. Remember that Arabic letters have to be connected. We don't write them separate as in English. We don't have upper and lower case. We don't write them separately. We have to connect them. This is why we have to learn how each letter will look like if it comes at the beginning, in the middle, or at end. And here again, the letter ba when it has fatha, the letter ba when it has kasra, the letter ba when it has dhamma. Bayt, bayt, bint, bint, boomah, bayt, bint, boomah, ba, bi, boo. Once more, in this class we have covered the letter ba. We talk about the Arabic writing system from right to left, the letter ba and how to pronounce it, the Arabic short vowels, and we learned that they are not part of the Arabic alphabet system or the Arabic alphabet. Number 4, the Arabic short vowels called fatha, kasra, and dhamma. And then we talk about the letter ba and how to pronounce it with the letter fatha, with the short vowels fatha, kasra, and dhamma. And then we talk about the letter ba and how it look like in any place of a word. I mean the letter ba forms or shapes. I hope this class was easy for you. See you in next class. Thank you.